I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have the Serenitea pod unlocked, and you and the host are friends in-game. Once done, ask the host to open their friends menu and either send a direct Teapot invitation or publish the realm for visitors. Make sure both of you are on the same server region. Mismatched servers block visits. If the host publishes, they can set access options, so tell them to choose a simple invite so you can join immediately without extra steps. You now perform the actual join. Open Friends, find the host, and tap Visit Serenitea Pod, then accept the confirmation that appears. If the host sends a live invitation, you'll see a pop-up, accept quickly to enter while they're online. Alternatively, if they publish their realm or set it public, search by their name or UID and join via the published link. Make sure to wait a few seconds after accepting. Loading may take a short moment as assets synchronize between your. Once inside, explore freely. Talk to the housekeeper, enter furnishing mode, and observe permissions the host granted. When leaving, use the exit option so you don't disrupt their layout. If you can't join, first verify you're on the same server and still friends, then have the host confirm they published or resend the invite. If problems persist, restart the game on both ends and ask the host to republish the realm. This often clears session or sync errors that block entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.